Hey everyone, welcome back Multi-Things. I'm Zane, and today we've got a fantastic episode lined up for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We'll be exploring some unique and creative photography ideas that will add a splash of creativity to your portfolio. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Now, let's dive into the first idea. Forced perspective is an amazing technique that can turn ordinary scenes into mind-bending illusions. Experiment with different angles and distances to play with the viewer's perception. Light painting is a mesmerizing technique that lets you paint with light in your photographs. All you need is a dark environment, a flashlight, and a camera with long exposure settings. Get creative with your light strokes to add a magical touch to your images. Double exposure is a classic technique that never fails to impress. You can create surreal and dreamlike images by blending two different exposures. Some cameras have a built-in double exposure mode, or you can achieve this effect in post-processing. Reflections can add a whole new dimension to your photos. Seek out reflective surfaces like water, glass, or polished metal to create symmetrical compositions. It's a simple yet powerful way to elevate your photography. Take a closer look at the world around you with macro photography. Capture the tiny details that often go unnoticed, from the delicate veins on a leaf to the texture of a butterfly's wing. Grab your macro lens and let's explore the miniature wonders. And there you have it, folks, 5 creative photography ideas to spark your imagination. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to share your results with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more photography adventures. Until next time, keep capturing those magical moments. Happy shooting!